Oh, hi. Let's fix our Unreal Engine if you can't open up City Sample. So the City Sample in Unreal Engine 5.3 has this weird tendency to open to a broad ocean with no city. So what you're going to need to do, it's a fairly simple fix, is you're going to go to the right here and click on the tab that says World Partition. Then you're going to zoom into this map and drag with your left mouse click, drag over it, and pull out a rectangle, and then right click into it and hit Load Region from Selection. This is going to take a little bit of time. It'll say Loading Actors, and then once that's done and registers the actors, the city should come up. So there you go. My general specs for this particular environment are not necessarily the best. I'm getting like about 26 frames per second just tooling around in the city here. Not great. But this environment is amazing. This was for the Unreal Engine game Matrix Awakens. This was for the Matrix Awakens game, and they released this a couple years ago when the movie was coming out to show what Unreal Engine 5 could do. This is the small map, and it doesn't have a lot of background, but if you open up the big map, the big city map, it has a lot more to play and a lot more to explore.